The word bank is a tool that uses Apple's onboard Apple Intelligence to generate a list of words based on a specific topic, helping support students during classroom writing tasks. It is included in the OT Screener iOS app as an intervention tool for teachers and therapists, and in the OT Tools iOS app for student use. Please be aware that Apple Intelligence requires a compatible device, such as an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, an iPad mini with A17 Pro, or an iPad Air or iPad Pro with an M1 chip or newer. When the tool is used on a device that does not support Apple Intelligence, a fallback list of generic words related to the selected topic will be generated instead. To begin, tap the Word Bank button on the main menu. The main Word Bank page will then open. In the subject field, type the topic for which you would like to generate a word bank. Below the subject field, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the approximate grade level for the words. Users can choose from kindergarten through high school. Below the grade level menu, use the slider to select how many words you would like to include in the word bank, ranging from 6 to 30 words. Please be aware, depending on the selected topic, the tool may not always generate a full number of requested words. Additionally, more abstract topics and requests for high numbers of words may increase the time required to generate the list. Once you are satisfied with your selections, tap Generate Word Bank. A word bank card will appear below, displaying a list of words based on the selected subject and grade level. Each word includes a speaker button. Students who are unable to read the word independently can tap this button to hear the word read aloud. Each word also includes an information button. Tapping this button will reveal a dictionary definition of the word. Users can read the definition independently or tap the speaker button beside the definition to have it read aloud. Word banks can be exported when printed copies are needed. Tap the export button in the upper right corner of the word bank card to generate a PDF. The PDF can then be printed, emailed, texted, shared through AirDrop, or opened in other third-party apps used by your school district. The exported form includes basic information such as the subject, selected grade level, requested number of words, and a complete word list. To generate a word bank for a different subject, simply enter the new topic in the subject field and repeat the steps. Alternatively, tap Start Over to clear the current word bank and begin again. The Word Bank provides students with accessible vocabulary support that can help them generate ideas, strengthen word choice, and participate more independently in classroom writing activities.